guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today guys, pupunta po kami sa Alabama. So ngayon, nandito na kami sa sasakyan. On the way na kami for going to Alabama. So ngayon guys, ayan po ang aking kasama. He is my husband, is my handsome husband. Ayan guys, see you there po. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kagandahan ng aming pinupuntahan. Ayan. See you there guys and bye. So ayan guys, on the way na kami for going to Alabama, okay? Ayan guys, walang traffic. Walang ka-traffic. You see guys, this is a farm. Ayan yung mga kalabaw dun. Mga ano pala, baka. Mga baka yan. Ayan po. Guys, this is area, it's a big farm. Maraming mga ano, may mga kabayo, may mga kambing, may mga baka, ganun. Mapira yung mga tao dito. Malapad yung farm. Alabama. Ayan po. Sa Gulf Lobby. Dalton Nation. Ayan po guys, dito na kami. See that guys, this is a golf area. It's a nice weather today. It's a nice weather. You can drive. Play the golf. You know how to play? So now you don't know how to play? Guys, this is a hot mineral pool. Ayan po siya. So dyan kami ano guys, mag-saw. Ayan po. Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa swimming pool. This is the mineral hot spring. Mineral what? Yeah. Mineral hot spring. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, naka-check-in na kami. So, ano po, kakain muna kami bago manood ng sine. Manood kami ng sine guys, yung naka-stay lang kami sa sasakyan. First time ko lang din yun ma-experience. So, andito pa kami sa town. Kakain muna kami at manonood ng sine. And guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yun po. First time ko lang din yung experience niya. So, hindi ko pa alam kung ano talaga. So, ano po. Mamaya po, ipakita ko yun po sa inyo. So, dito yung town nila guys. Ito po yung town nila. Oh. Silang malaking flag.
Stay in the second lane from left.
Maganda yung weather today guys. Weather today is nice. Hindi makulimlim, may araw, hindi malamig. Tama lang.
Stay in the second lane from left. Stay in the second lane from left.
Yes, ma'am.
Woodburn Drive, then turn left onto West Main Street.
So just turn right.
So turn left. Turn left? I guess I can.
Yeah.
At the light, turn left onto West Main Street, then turn right.
What?
Oh, no, that's confusing.
So, kakain muna kami guys, kakain. So guys, mag-stop over muna kami dito. Kakain muna kami ng dinner po. And go naman. So guys, kasi hindi nag-workout yung pinuntahan namin na pagkain. So lilipat kami. Ito kami sa seafood restaurant. Diyan po kami kakain. Po. Pasok. So guys, dito na kami po sa what is this called?
Drive-in movie theater.
Drive-through.
Drive-in movie theater.
Movie theater.
Outdoor theater.
And guys, manood kami dito ng sine po. Pero ano lang, naka-stay po kayo sa car. Naka-stay kayo sa car. And then, ayun po. Mag-start ng 7 PM po guys. 7 PM. So, yan po siya. This is my first times guys. This is my first times experience. So, I don't know really what exactly. Yan po. po yung tinatawag nila is drive-in. Yan.
You need my key or you got one?
Yan po guys, dyan kami manonood. Screen 1. So where you want to buy the drinks?
I think they have drinks here.
Inside? And they have a store here.
Yeah.
They have a store, guys. Screen 1. Oh. So nakita nyo yung white na yan, guys. Diyan ipapakita yung movies nila. And then yung iba, guys, yan nakaabang na. O diba, safe? Kasi sasakyan lang. Hindi mo na kailangan magbaba. Yan po. Yan. So you're going to more closer. So we're here, guys. Dito kami magpa-park, guys. Dito. Ito yung iba, guys. Ayan po. Waiting na yan. Diyan, guys. Yan. Ito yung screen na yan. Diyan po. Diyan. Papalabas. Haha. It's my first time. Okay. We ordered the food. We're ordering the food. Ito. Ayan. Guys, ayan po. Nag-hintay na sila. 7:15 mag-start po yung movie. I got a large popcorn and small Pepsi. We ordered the food. We're ordering the food. Guys, ayan po. Nag-hintay na sila. 7:15 mag-start po yung movie. I got a large popcorn and small Pepsi.
Maybe this is the end. But we gonna go out together. I came here to take you down, little brother. That's your mistake. This is my world. Godzilla, this is our only chance. We have to take it.
And guys, tapos na yung palabas. So, uuwi na kami. Yes. Mayroon silang 4 na screen. Iba-iba yung mga movie. Uuwi na. Ito, ibang movie. Ito, iba. Dito, iba din. Yung sa amin tapos na po. So, yun, uuwi na. Andyan tapos na. Doon yung sa amin, guys. Oh, tapos na. Kaya, uuwi na kami. Going home. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon. Nakauwi na kami sa aming bahay. So, yan po. Ayan. So, nice weather guys. Ayan. Masikat yung araw. Saka yung, ano guys, yung trees, nagkaroon na din ng dahon. Kasi patapos na po yung winter. So, going to summer na guys. So, ayan po. Nandito na kami. Ayan, yung aming mga neighborhood. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, guys, nandito na lang yung aking video po. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.